Hi everyone. Today I will practice with Deniz. Deniz was designed by artificial intelligence, for example, ChatGPT, and at the moment I will practice with you. Let's start. Hi Deniz. Today I would like to practice with you and don't be easy question and can you ask different questions but easy question.
Denny's. I am your English speaking practice buddy. I work at Attilum University Department of Basic English. How can I help you?
As said that, can you question can you ask different questions, but don't be easy and general or specific and not specific.
Hello, my name is Denny's, your English speaking practice buddy. Please speak using sound mode so that I can respond.
Can you ask different questions? Don't be easy.
Of course. I will ask you some more challenging questions. First, can you tell me about a time when you faced a difficult decision and how you made your choice?
That's amazing question. First of all, when I face a difficult decision, um, firstly, in my opinion, I get sad this situation, and um, I deal with the problem and I can help the grandparents or the person who know or um or skilled at work, any topic, and especially make an effort and I can solve this problem. Or after all, after all, I cannot mm, I cannot think a lot this topic because life is difficult already, and this makes me feel upset occasionally, but life is going, I think.
Thank you for sharing that. I understand. Now, can you describe a goal you have for the next few years and what steps you plan to take to reach it?
Okay.
Take
Okay.
your time.
I have a plan for next summer and actually this summer. Um, Firstly, I would like to participate work and travel program because uh, this program this program this program impacts my life and my aspects. This program bronze my aspects, and um, and uh, I have different goals, and actually I should save up money because where I live in Turkey, um, uh, uh, actually depend money, unfortunately, uh, but uh, um, next week I travel because the sacrifice holiday, and at the moment I am planning this holiday or this vacation, and that um, a lot of steps, a lot of steps. Um, uh, that being said, I can make an effort, or for example, this summer I will work any job, or I will give a special lesson for the students, or for the students who need to learn English. That's all. Uh, but um, but that's it at the moment.
That's great. You have a clear plan. I really like that you are saving money and also preparing for a future opportunity. Now, can you describe a skill that you would like to improve and how you plan to practice it?
In that I have different goals, and actually I can improve English skills, or sport skills, or instrumental music skills, um, and um, actually I am planning to participate these activities that I can improve, or I can socialize with other people. Um, after all, I do the best. I do the best. Any activities which since a kid, since my childhood, um, studying, because since my childhood, grandparents uh, should uh, should uh, should say studying is significant for people, or in the Turkey, unfortunately, students are compared to other students, and a little bit, I went to out of the topic, but that's all.
Thank you for explaining that. I see how important education is to you. Now, can you tell me about a person who motivates you and why they have this effect on you?
Okay. Especially a person who motivated me. Actually, I am, and because I am, or other people, but I am, because I am to really, I can to really make an effort for dreams, for goals, or for how to do these goals, and actually successful or accomplishment people in the past, or now, and science people, and and really and really a person who develop yourself. For example, Atatürk is important for me, and they have a positive effect on me. Um, by the way, really, some people have several angels for life on my own. Uh, at the moment, at the moment, in the same page, indeed. Do you think? Do you think? Why is it important for people?
Thank you for sharing that. I think it is important because having a role model like Ataturk can give you direction and strength. Now, my next question is, can you explain a habit you have that helps you stay organized in your daily life?
To begin with, I can explain a habit. This habit is being regular any topic, and I can organize easily this situation in my daily life. And I can explain another habit. Uh, uh, Habit. Actually, I want to stay alone, because uh, when I went crowded or packed places, sometimes I can feel bad or upset. I don't know. But um, another habit, when I forced to a difficult situation, uh, in a way, I struggle these these topic. That's all.
That's really good. So, being regular in your habits really helps you stay organized, and I understand how crowded places can be difficult. Now, one last question. Can you describe a project you completed recently and what you learned from it?
Recently, I have completed different presentation for the university, and 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 I I can do presentation for next Friday, and um, I learned that speaking across the people can be difficult, or can be demanding from people. But time is pass, and learn these skills because it is essential for my career. And I can describe this project. For example, I can choose a cat film or books or series or movie, and this cat about this cat and this cat's personality. This cat represents or the main conflict. Another project in my in at my university, uh, as no as no I can choose a book. The book is the Kite Runner. Do you know the Kite Runner? I don't know. You can answer. You can answer. And this project, I can introduce the main characters and as said that Afghanistan's background or what the books represents, or um, what the book teach the people. Um, before forget this project have a positive effect on me, and I can improve English skills that I have B2 English level in the America, in the Italian when I go. That's all.
That sounds really interesting. You've done a great job with these presentations, and I'm happy to hear they help you grow your English skills. If you would like, I can ask you more questions about your university projects, or we can move to another topic. What would you prefer?
We can move to another topic.
Sure. So, since we covered some personal goals and projects, would you like to talk about something like travel or maybe your future career plans? Let me know which topic you would enjoy.
Travel.
Great choice. Let's talk about travel. First, can you tell me about a place you would really love to visit and why it is special to you?
Um, 4 years ago, I went to Nevşehir, and Nevşehir is special for me because in the there balloons are fly, and people are inside, and people can see the amazing view in the balloons. And Nevşehir has a beautiful place, and peri bacaları is gorgeous. And by the way, I mention this another city in the Turkey, Sakarya, because this city is clear oxygen, and sea, and people can swim in the sea, and but sea is very wave, and sometimes people cannot get hold of anything, and Sakarya can be a good choice for people who visit or love this city. And as I said, Nevşehir is special to me. And I am trialing. I am trialing. I don't know, but all cities are visited in Turkey or in the world, because after all, every city has memorable moments because of being social or local people, traditional foods, or historical information, cultural information, or when I visit different cities, I can get to know the new people, or um, knowledgeable people. And sometimes I went to village. Uh, my grandparents should go village to me, because they think of village is clear 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 hava, and um, clear oxygen, and organic foods, organic fruits, organic vegetables, or organic milks. Especially, I don't like the village. I don't know, um, uh, where they live. But especially, I like to visit different village. That's all.
Thank you for sharing all of that. You described some beautiful places. I can see why Nevşehir and Sakarya are special to you. If you would like, next we can discuss some future travel plans or something else you enjoy. What would you like to do next?
Yeah. Eskişehir can be, because next week, sacrifice holiday for Turkey. Turkey where people, and student city, uh, overall uh, overall um, overall um, overall I don't know, but Istanbul can be, because Istanbul has a historical cultural city for everyone, and that's all at the moment.
That's a great point. Yes, Istanbul is such a rich city with history and culture. I'm glad you have these travel ideas. If you think of any other places or topics, I'm ready.
Um, thank you for practicing with me English. 24. It is 24. And today enough. Uh, Today enough. Maybe Tuesday. Uh,
You're very welcome. I'm really glad we practiced today. Yes, we can stop for now, and if you want to continue on Tuesday, I'll be here. Have a great day.
As you can see, I can practice with Deniz, and I can improve English skills by speaking or by listening. Deniz can say it as said. Thank you for listening to me.
You're very welcome. I'm really happy you feel this way. I'm always here to help you practice. So keep it up, and we'll talk again soon.
As you can see, Deniz will speak non-stop. If I don't stop by me. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye and have a nice day.